How to upload music on SoundCloud mobile. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload music on your SoundCloud app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your SoundCloud app. Then once you are in the app, you have to tap on your library in the bottom right side here. Then once you are in your library, you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner here. And then here you will see the record option. Tap on it. And then here it says record is now uploaded. Record is no longer available in app. By uploading, you confirm that your sounds conform with our terms of use and you don't infringe or on anyone else's right. So you have to tap on OK if you agree to all these terms. And then your phone storage will open, and from here select the music you want to upload to SoundCloud. And then here you can give the title to that music, and then if you want to upload a picture to that music, you can tap on here, and then you can choose from your library or take a photo. If you want to pick a genre, you can tap on here to pick a genre. Then from here select the genre. Then here you can describe your track. You can write anything you want to write about your track, and then here you can add a caption to your post if you want. So if you want to make this track public, you have to turn this on. Now it's turned on, and then you can tap on save in the top right corner. And now tap on your profile here, and then here you can see all of the tracks you have uploaded to the SoundCloud app. And so this is how you can upload music on SoundCloud app. Thanks for watching.